Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can clear your cache on your Tcl Smart TV. So if you want to clear the cache, you can simply go to the top right corner in your settings. So in your settings, you can go to apps by navigating on the remote. So in the apps, these are all the apps that you can delete your cache of. So for example, if I want to delete the cache of my YouTube, so I can simply click on YouTube and I can scroll down and I can go to clear data or clear cache right here. So if I click on the clear cache, this is going to clear my cache of my YouTube. And similarly, you can scroll down to any app that you want to delete your cache from. So this is how you delete your cache on your Tcl Smart TV. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.